Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be doing some breakfast. Now there's nothing better for breakfast than having a classic BLT, but there's nothing classic to me when it comes to making a sandwich. I try to put as much flavor into it and try to add all kinds of different things just to make a beautiful looking sandwich and pack it with flavor. I always say layers of flavor when I build a sandwich. Now the key component of today's dish is a new bacon that I'm in love with, the Black Label Hormel. I'm not sponsored or promoted, whatever. I just came across this bacon, I just want to share it with you. This is a very, very good bacon, and this is what we're gonna make our BLT with. No further ado, let's get down to the recipe so I can show you how to make it. We're gonna start off with our bacon. I got 6 healthy slices of bacon. This is that cherry wood smoked bacon. It smells delicious on the flat top. So after a couple minutes, we're basically gonna just give our bacon a flip. Alright, after about a minute and a half, 2 minutes on this side, we're going to go ahead and just give it one more flip. We want that bacon to be nice and crispy. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take it off after about 30 seconds. We're going to put it on a grate, so that way it can let it just cool down. That cooling down period is what's going to give you that really, really good crispiness. Now we're going to let these cool on a rack. Alright, so we're going to use some of that bacon fat. We're going to cook up some eggs. Alright, we're going to go ahead and smash that yolk because I'm going to be putting cheese on top of these. So we're going to go ahead and hit our eggs with some fresh cracked black pepper. Ain't nothing better than some fresh cracked black pepper and some salt on your eggs. After a couple minutes, we're gonna go ahead and just take off our little rings. These silicone rings are perfect for making the beautiful egg. They just come right off. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip. And we're gonna go ahead and put these together. I'm gonna melt some cheese on it. So we're gonna do some pepper jack. Now I'm trying to build some flavor here, and I got a distinct profile of flavor that I'm trying to go for. Now we're just gonna dome it and give it a nice steam bath. We're gonna let this do it for about 15 seconds. And after the 15 seconds, you got some beautiful, ooey gooey melted cheese. Alright, go ahead and plate our BLT. Now we're gonna go ahead and toast our slices of bread. A little bit more. This one's got a good, better color than this one here. Alright, good to go. So we have our beautiful toasted slice of bread here, and we're gonna hit it with some chipotle mayo. I took a chipotle pepper, you know, the ones that you buy in the can. It's got a really good smoky flavor, and it adds some heat. So I went ahead and blended that and added that to some mayonnaise. So we're gonna put a nice heaping spoon of that chipotle mayo right here. Now we're gonna put a nice handful of some sliced romaine lettuce. I'm gonna let this act like a sponge. It's just gonna be a little platform for our bacon and everything else. Now you can't forget the nice, beautiful cut tomato. Now I told you I'm building layers of flavor here. We're gonna add a little bit of red onion. Now our egg. right there on top. Now for the best part, our bacon. Six thick cut slices of bacon. Look at that. Now for a kicker, we're gonna add some avocado. I told you, layers of flavor is what we're building. And this is what I think of every time I make a sandwich, of how I'm gonna build those layers. We're gonna add a little bit more of that chipotle mayo on that other slice of bread. Excuse the dogs, they're having a little battle royale over there. And we're gonna top it. And that, folks, right there is a beautiful sandwich. Look at that. Alright, the moment that you've been waiting for. Look at that. Beautiful. Layers of flavor. Let me explain this. Layers of flavor. You got the fresh produce, that beautiful crunch from that fresh produce. You have egg, you have bacon, you have the creamy avocado, and then on both sides, you got that chipotle mayo. Now the moment we have been waiting for, folks. The ultimate BLT taste test. I could have this every day for breakfast. I gotta have another one. I gotta wipe myself off here. It's a delicious sandwich and it's beautiful. That you get that chipotle mayo. Now for the chipotle mayo, I took 1 chipotle pepper and I mixed that with 1 cup of mayonnaise. So I blended the pepper and I just mixed it all together. It has a good smoky flavor to it. It's not too hot, it's not overwhelming. If you want it a little bit hotter, go ahead and add another pepper. But as you bite into the sandwich, you get everything. You get the crunch from the fresh produce, you know, the onion, the tomato, the juice from the tomato just kind of like splashes in your mouth. You get the egg with that gooey cheese, and then of course, the wonderful bacon, and then hints of that creamy avocado in the background. It came out great. This is a winner. Hands down, this is a winner. Well, I got some breakfast to eat. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that we can see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. I'll get back to you shortly. Now I have these other Blackstone recipes. They're very delicious and you should check them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care. Shut up, Dougie.